Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a 1,000 acre cornfield in western Kentucky where a model year 2019 John Deere S790 combine is harvesting corn 12 rows at a time with a John Deere 712C corn head that is 30 feet wide. This 543 horsepower combine holds 400 bushels of grain and can unload 3.8 bushels of corn per second from its 28.5 foot unloading auger. During the video, you'll be riding along in this big combine with my friend Matt to see his perspective of harvesting corn out in this large field, as well as watching the big 420 horsepower 9420R John Deere four-wheel drive tractors pulling Kinze 1105 grain carts, hauling all the corn away from Matt's S790 and 4 others as they head out to fill up semi-trucks that will haul the corn back to the farm. So let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all this harvesting action.
Hello everybody, we are still combining corn. We're going on 3 weeks, should get done this week hopefully, if all goes well. It's not supposed to rain, haven't had any rain for 3 weeks. Excuse me. It's probably the fastest we've ever got done. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some rain when we get done, and then get all the discs hooked up, ready to go, and hit the field. Hopefully we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. This is a 1,000-acre field. All the green has been done. We're over here on this right side next to this tree line. About to finish up this chunk, and then right on the other side of those trees is another 1,500 acres. waiting for a grain cart. Doing a quick check behind the combine here for losses. Look down here in between the rows. Have it's like 1, 2 kernels in about a square foot. That's not bad at all. Clean cobs, looks like. Doing a pretty good job, I'd say.
I hope you've enjoyed spending time out in this western Kentucky cornfield, seeing all the harvesting action with the John Deere S790 combine and 9420R four-wheel drive tractors. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below, as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.